Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Roblox and getting your camera ready. Open the app or site and sign in so the scanning feature can link to your account. Once done, give the app camera permission. Without it, you can't scan. Position the QR code on a second screen or a printout at arm's length and make sure ambient light is even to avoid glare. You're now set to access Roblox's scanner. Move to the next step to actually capture the code. Now you'll locate and use Roblox's scanner feature. In-game or on the web, go to the item, event, or promo page that shows a Scan QR button and tap it. You'll see an on-screen guide box. Align the QR code inside that box and let the camera autofocus. Move slowly and keep the phone steady so the app can read the pattern accurately. Once recognized, Roblox will process the code and either apply an item, unlock access, or show a success confirmation, then continue to the final steps. Finish by checking inventory or notifications to confirm the QR action completed. Sometimes content appears under avatar items or special event pages. If it didn't work, troubleshoot. Clean the camera lens, boost lighting, or pull back about 1/2 to 1 foot to help focus. Make sure camera permissions are enabled in device settings and restart Roblox if needed. If you still fail, relaunch the scanner and try again slowly. Most errors are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.